So this morning I heard this machine gun sound, like metallic, and it was like brrrr, brrrr, and I came out here to check, and up there was this stupid woodpecker. A woodpecker. I mean, for goodness sake. A woodpecker on our metal thing. Caw, caw, caw. All these birds, man, they're loud. Hello, everybody. April 2nd here. Seem to be doing all right with VEDA so far. 2 days in. Going down the stairs this time. It's the end of the work day. I'm about to head home. Oh, well, I don't know if you know that much about me anymore, because I imagine the people who would be watching this are people who either currently know me or used to know me. And so here's a little bit about myself. Right now, I'm working in IT at a Christian university, and that's pretty fantastic. I'm enjoying that. And on the side, I am actually... Oh. Sorry about that. I'm pretty new to public vlogging, so it feels a little bit awkward when people walk by and I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah, on the side, I am actually currently working on a video game. I've been wanting to make a video game for a long time, and now I'm actually doing it. I am officially an indie game developer, and that's pretty exciting to me. Oops. Sorry about the close-up there. Bushes are so close to this parking space, it's kind of dangerous. Let's see, I'm getting into the car. Alright. Yep, so I'm making a game finally. I'm an indie game developer, and I'm doing everything by myself. If anyone wants to help me with art or music or sounds or ideas or whatever, let me know. Let me know, because I really could use the help. I just launched a new website for my games that I'm doing. I've got a development blog on there, and it's all going pretty well so far. I'm enjoying it. I'm making pretty good progress. Anyway, this is starting to get a little bit long, so I'm going to get going. And I'll probably talk to you more about what I'm doing next time. So you have a great day. Bye!